guys, we are going to now do the unboxing of the GoGirl. Thank you, Mama. This is the unboxing of the GoGirl all fruit accessories. This is a fruit accessory. Fruity Life, hashtag Fruity Life accessory.
Mandatory.
GoGirl, don't take life sitting down. That's a slogan. GoGirl allows women the convenience of standing to urinate. It's clean, portable, discreet, and reusable. Okay, so we're on the streets of Manhattan. Fucking
Manhattan?
no fucks. We're not giving any fucks.
This is, girl, we used to have that.
Here. This is literally the one thing I wanted. Ever since we discovered this like a year ago, we were like, let's not buy each other Christmas gifts, let's buy each other this, and she actually bought it for me. And while I was opening the gift, I was like, Awa, is this the gift? And she was like, no. I was like, is this the peeing thing? She was like, no. And I was like, could you please get me that while I open this?
That's the funny part, you were just saying it.
God,
I thought you could read me at some point. I was like, wait.
No, because he's looking.
And then after I was like, wait, man, she can't. My face is still like frozen. She won't be able to.
Oh, shit.
You look so beautiful. See what the future holds.
I'm going to Costa Rica soon. Fruit Festival. Oh my god, it comes with a bag!
It comes?
Oh! Dude, I kind of want to take my coat off because my shirt is so just fucking nice. It comes with a bag! Do not flush!
Oh my god, that is so funny.
Oh my god. It comes with
instructions. What is
tissue.
oh, tissue. Oh, they thought of everything. Dude.
Does anybody see?
Dude, that's big. Okay, can I zoom in on this?
Oh my god.
Go girl.
Okay, so let's test it out.
On the street of Manhattan.
Oh my.
This is hilarious.
Give me a second. I'll be right back.
Okay, this is PG. So come up with this.
Game changer.
Yes.
It comes with a fucking piece of tissue.
They thought of everything, even the tissue.
Game changer.
That is so. Let me feel it. Interesting.
Oh my
Game
god.
changer.
Up? What does that mean?
Yeah, we have to figure out how to put it on. So I guess this one is coming in the front.
Okay, so let me explain to you guys. You put your vagina in here, and then the pee comes through here.
Very easy, especially when you go hiking and then you have.
Oh my god, this is a game changer. Cut to. I'm gonna show clips of me using it now. All right, that's all. Thank you for watching. Game changer.
That is hilarious.
Do not flush. Guys, practice at home. I'm never peeing sitting down again. I'm never at home. I'm standing up. Motherfucking who runs the world? Girls. All right, can you please put can you put my new vagina in my bag, please? Thank you so much. Heck no, I could pee fucking on the subway. Keep it in the bag, pour out the bag, fucking next day use it again. I fucking never need a bathroom again.